How to add a credit card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a credit card to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, where there are options you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, various options can help you get access to different features of the app. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the page. Once you are here, make sure you tap on this option here named Linked Banks. This page will then appear where you will see all the different cards and banks that are connected to your Cash App account. If you have not connected a debit card, you have to first add a debit card to your Cash App account before you can be able to add a credit card. So go ahead and tap here to add it. After that, a page similar to this one appears after adding the debit card. On this page, look for an option named. From those options, the one we need is this one here named Link Credit Card. After that, this page will appear here where you are supposed to enter the credit card details that you want to add to your Cash App account. Make sure you enter this information correctly. Finally, verify if what you have entered is correct and then proceed and tap here, Link Card. The page will then start loading and the credit card will be added just like that. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add a credit card to Cash App.